Namaste to all.
Next speaker, Dr. Vitul Tripathi, we ready? Come here, please.
Shandagaram bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Vidyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvayogaikashantam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokeganadam. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Myself, Dr. Mini.K, Professor and HOD, the Department of Rachana Sharir, Guru Gorakshanath Institute of Medical Sciences, Mahayogi Gorakhnath University, Gorakhpur. So today, during this international conference related with Ayurveda, Yoga and Nath Panth, we want to have the relation of Agni, not only in Ayurveda, we want to know what is in Vedic and Upanishadic view. Here we can see Hindu, the Agni, the Hindu god of fire. This was very important in the Vedic period. He was a central figure in any of the Vedic rituals, and the Vedas contain many more rhymes, and they are the deity. Agni is the most popular god of Rigveda. Here, this is the central fire, what we can say. And in the body, Agni is represented by the eyes and not only by the digestive fire, what we think. This is the importance of the fact, we can say that Agni Purana, which is given after his name, before the emergence of the Shiva as the god of Hindu Trinity, Agni was the god of destruction by fear and by the worshippers. And the last line, Agni having two faces, mainly we can see one is for the benefit and the other is for the malignant. What we knew in today's life is how we are looking into each and every part. This is the way we want to look. That is a vision. And the visionaries and the yogis all are having such a fire inside. And then only we can do the thing. So the vision is very important. Agni, which we know as Vaishwanara, the center of all people. He is in the sky as well as in the center of the earth. In the images, you know, Agni is with the two heads, as well as long flowing hair, with a pot belly, and with 6 eyes and 7 hands, and 4 horns. And these are the depict. And I think that I will show you one day where in the body the Agni is placed as a structure. That is my point. His 7 hands represent the 7 flames, and the 3 legs that represents the 3 worlds. And the reins, the pot belly denotes the love for your food, oily food basically. And this is by the fire. His concerns for Swaha and Swada. And being a Dhumaketu, you all know that. This is the smoke and his banner. And the Ram, this is the vehicle, I can show you. This is the one. See, it's a vehicle. For a vehicle, each and every deity have a vehicle, we know. Here's the ram, and with the 2 heads and the flowing hair, and the kusha, the grass, which is showing here. Now, we can see, according to the tradition, we have 10 types of Agnis. 10 forms of Agnis, we can see. The first one, we all know that. These are different fire elements of natural forms. This is the next. Next one, the ordinary, all of you know, lightning, we all see. The sun, we all know. Digestive fire, we call them as the Jadaragni, which is present inside our body. Another one is the destructive. That is the, in Los Angeles, we all heard now. It's very dangerous. And this is the forest fire. The fire that is going to consume the worlds at the end of the creation. And this fire, the next fire, we can see the fire produced using sticks at the beginning. We have no such matchsticks or nothing. We use this with the rocks and with the sticks. And this is the way. Now I can see, this is the Shishovaninium. This was pearl. When you enlighten or lit a lamp inside each and every one, that is my topic to be, and during that time also, anything we will heat, the pot or us, there is the fire inside. And this is many kinds of Agni. I can show you. These are the Dadus. Vaishwanara is the main one. Jnanagni, I want to explain this one as the Jnanagni, the domain of intelligent inside you, and the Darshanagni, and This is the Darshan Agni. I can show you different types, which is present in the heart, which is in the Gahapatya and Ahavaniya. And this is the sacrificial point. And I can get this. These are the different types of Agnis. And I am thanking everyone to be here in this presence. And thank you very much, the coordinator or the organizers, to give me a chance to present this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.